Hi guys, welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use before and after scan on Instagram. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. First, you need to open Instagram application. Once you open Instagram, then you need to click on your story, and then you need to click on camera, and then you need to scroll, and you need to click on search. Then you need to click on browse effect, and then you need to search here before and after, and then you need to select on this effect. And if you want to try it, you simply need to click on try it, and if you want to save, then you need to click on this save option and save into your camera, and then you need to use that effect, and you can easily create before and after video with this effect. So by following these steps, you can easily use before and after scan on Instagram. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.